Hi guys, today I'm doing a review on the 3D printed T-80BVM. Turret can rotate. Luckily this time around there's no damages during shipping. Came intact. Only downside is the bent machine gun and the cannon. But other than that, everything looks pretty sturdy. Got a good heft to it too. Not too heavy, not too light, not too heavy. Here's the comparison with the also 3D printed T-90M. Let's get the whole family together. Here's the model collect T80, T80BV, and the T80U, all from model collect. Looking at that T80U, I forgot how good model collect was. It's really too bad they stopped making these Russian tanks. Thanks for watching.